In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced search in Asana. When you start working with more projects, tasks, and conversations in Asana, it very quickly becomes difficult to remember exactly where everything lives. That's where the search feature comes in, and using it well can save you a lot of time and frustration. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access the search, what it can do, and how to think about using it to find what you need fast. First, look at the top of your Asana screen. You'll see the search bar sitting in the header area, usually near the top right corner of the interface. Go ahead and click on that search field. This is your main entry point to locate any task, subtask, message, or conversation that you have access to across all your projects and teams. As soon as you click into the search bar, Asana may show you some recent searches or suggested items, which can be handy if you're going back to something you looked at earlier. But you can also just start typing. Think about a keyword that would appear in the task name or description, like a project code, a client name, or the main topic of the work. Begin typing that, and Asana will start pulling up matching results below the search box. If you remember more specific details, such as who the task is assigned to or what project it belongs to, you can refine what you type. For example, you might include the assignee's name along with a keyword from the task title. The more meaningful information you include, the easier it is for Asana to surface the right results near the top. Asana's search doesn't just look at the project you currently have open, it checks across all the projects, sections, and teams that you're part of, as long as you have permission to view those items. This means you can jump from a high-level portfolio view into a single task buried in another team's project, without manually clicking through each level. Once your search results appear, scan through the list and click the specific task or conversation you were looking for. That will open it directly so you can review the details, update the status, leave a comment, or adjust dates and assignees right away. Over time, make a habit of going to the search bar whenever you're trying to remember where something is. Instead of browsing through multiple projects, let search do the heavy lifting. With consistent use, you'll move around Asana much more efficiently and keep your focus on the actual work, not on hunting for it